morning and the high of the week, temperatures are going to be above normal, if anything. Have a look at the satellite sequence. There is a cold front, yes, a cold front, swinging down towards Scotland and Northern Ireland, but it isn't going to introduce very cold air anywhere. In fact, cloudy conditions with southwesterly winds over the bulk of Britain, I think, for the rest of the coming week. And high pressure will keep southern parts mainly dry too. There's that cold front coming down, spreading a band of rain south across Scotland and Northern Ireland and later getting to parts of northwest England. But as it runs into the high pressure, weakening all the time. And then another set of fronts rushing across Scotland and Northern Ireland during Wednesday. And that pattern continuing, I think, for the rest of the week. The south staying mainly dry and not particularly cold anywhere. There's a lot of cloud about at the moment. Clear skies though over central and eastern parts of England. A few patches of mist in places and a touch of frost. But later in the night, cloud thickening from the southwest, spots of drizzle around southern and western coasts, and more persistent rain getting into the far northwest of Scotland, north of the Great Glen there. And winds up to gale force up there, but elsewhere much less strong than that. But a cloudy end to the night. Those are the temperatures at midnight, 0 to -1 in some central and eastern parts of Britain, but rising thereafter after midnight, and not particularly windy except in the far northwest. Tomorrow, well, let's start off with Scotland and Northern Ireland. A lot of cloud there and outbreaks of rain. That rain gradually moving southwards into Northern Ireland towards northwest England during the course of the day. At the same time, brighter weather returning to central and northern parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland later with just 1 or 2 showers. And ahead of it, a band of fairly strong winds as well, working its way down towards northwest England. The rain eventually getting to northwest England. England will starting off cloudy, misty in places, but brightening up in central and eastern areas during the course of the day. You can see a little band of strong winds gradually working its way southwards during the course of the day. Those are the winds at lunchtime tomorrow. Not particularly strong anywhere, and becoming less strong for time up in the north of Scotland as well. Temperatures becoming milder, 6 to 9 degrees Celsius, and the outlook not just for the day after, but for the rest of the week. Rain at times in the north, mainly dry